Startups and entrepreneurship. Hello from Pilsen, I'm Petr. And I'm Marek. Today we're here to introduce you to a few local startups. What's a startup? A startup is a newly founded company that solves a problem in an innovative way. The world's most famous is probably Apple. In our country, maybe Jaroslav Beck and his Beat Saber. Or here in Pilsen, for example, Social Bakers. Historically, the company Batya could also be considered a startup, so it's obviously possible to get somewhere, and entrepreneurship is worth supporting. And that's what's happening in Pilsen. Let's take a look.
You don't have to be Elon Musk to get help starting a business in Pilsen. Here, they know that about 2/3 of jobs in the Czech Republic are created by small and medium-sized businesses. They account for 1/3 of GDP and 50% of added value. A startup is all about a good idea that could be not only a regional, but also a global success.
Maybe you develop hardware and software solutions for coordinating drones in low airspace, like the guys from Dronetag, who've won numerous international awards and support from the European Space Agency. Hi, Lukáš.
Hi, Marek.
Lukáš, what is the Dronetag Mini?
The Dronetag Mini is our tracking device that is specifically designed for drones so that they are visible on an air traffic map.
Is it similar to what aircraft have?
It's a similar concept, but this is something that's missing on drones, which has greatly limited their commercial potential.
This is Dronetag.
In my hand, I have the first
FAA-approved device for remote ID.
And how does it work?
You can easily attach the device to your drone. Once the device is in the air, you can see its position, altitude, speed, and last but not least, its registration number, which actually falls in line with new European and American regulations.
the technology that's going to be required on all drones.
Man, look, it's pretty accurate. It really is.
So it has international applications.
That's right. It's even one of the systems that now allows for parcel delivery, for example.
Thanks, Lukáš, and keep flying.
Thanks, Marek.
Petr, what about Nextdrop, another global startup? We're here at the Waterworks in Pilsen, where they use a unique system for monitoring and controlling the behaviour of drinking water in the network. František, can you tell us more? Absolutely, I'd love to. Water is one of the most precious resources we have, and a sustainable water management system is a global problem. Our startup is trying to contribute to solving this problem by automating solenoid valves, one of the most common elements we use to control the flow of water. And what are you doing here at the Waterworks? In cooperation with Pilsen Waterworks, we're developing a unique technology for the detection of water leaks and micro-leaks inside buildings. So you're dealing with losses. What about rainwater management? We're deploying our solution at Pilsen Zoo, where our system controls and monitors the management of rainwater for greenhouse irrigation. So you don't get bored. We don't get bored. The startup isn't stereotypical, but it is hard work. Nextdrop has taken control of technology in a new way. Congratulations and thank you. Thank you.
Almost half of all startups are in technology. It's not an easy road, as a similar number quit within the first 3 years. You need an idea and perseverance, and meaningful support from the city and the region can ease the path to your goal.
Plzeň je jediné město v Evropě, kde hlídají bezpečnost čidla.
Rozeznají zvuk výstřelu anebo volání o pomoc a spustí poplach.
They have clients in Sao Paulo and Amsterdam, and they're from Pilsen. Jalud Embedded. They develop and manufacture devices for detecting dangerous sound events. What's the benefit here? Our device can reduce the time it takes to call the emergency services from about 7 minutes to less than 5 seconds. We can monitor a scream in the street, a car accident, someone drowning on a beach, a broken window. And how did you get into this unconventional field? From the very beginning, we wanted to create a product in the area of security, but that also would not violate people's privacy. It turned out that we managed to develop a product that is not only innovative, but can actually save lives.
Zájem o něj mají i v Londýně, v Brazílii, Panamě a Nigérii.
We've been building the product for years and we're still only a small company. On the other hand, as a smaller company, are you able to adapt better? Yes, and we're closer to our customers so we can react faster to their needs. Well, thanks, Lukáš. Lukáš definitely had a clear business vision. But sometimes business finds you, Vetlímce, and finally animals, because startups are not just about technology and technicians.
Our own animals were injured, and we wanted something better than the classic plastic cone.
And so we have the first textile pet cone.
It It's been a long road. We tested them for several months in cooperation with veterinarians to make sure that they were comfortable, but most importantly, safe.
I can see it doesn't bother him. I guess he can eat and drink in peace.
Definitely. He's not restricted at all, and that's the most important thing. And it really contributes to good recovery in the dog. Our cone simply gives him maximum comfort. So, do you like this idea?
It's great. Congratulations, girls.
Thank you.
So these are startups in Pilsen, a great place for living and for doing business. Why? Meaningful support. It permeates all levels of the education system, from children in kindergarten up to budding entrepreneurs and established companies. Business is no joke. It takes an idea, an eye for the prize, and above all, not being afraid to try. Organisations like SITMP can provide you with a foundation, support, consultation, everything you need. Even though the hardest decisions will still be yours. Thank you, and see you at SITMP. Goodbye and good luck.